Hello friends, for English speaking I think these 5 things are very important. Listening, speaking, reading, writing and then thinking in English language. If you master these skills, then I think that you will improve your English very soon. First of all, I will talk about the listening, because this is a very important and basic thing to improve the English language. When you have a good listening power, listening skill, then I think that you can speak good English language. If you feel some kind of tensions while listening, then I think that your listening power is not good, and it is required to improve your listening power. You have seen that babies first listen, then they speak. In this way, if you want to improve English language, because you are a non-native English speaker and you want to improve this language, your national language is something else, but right now due to the globalization of English language, you know that word has become the global village, and you want to master English language, you want to become fluent in English language, then I think that you will improve your listening power. First of all, listen English language videos, podcast, radio programs, any other thing, live chat, discussion with friends. Listen more. When you will develop this habit of listening, then I think little words of English will come out of your mouth. In this way you will start speaking. So the basic thing to speak the English language, that your listening power should be good. If you have good listening power, then I think that you will improve your English language. Second is speaking. Just listening is not enough. After listening, you will have to speak. You will have to open your mouth to speak the English words, English sentences. Speak little English sentences. Speak yourself. If you don't find any kind of a friend around you, then speak to yourself. When you try to speak yourself, because I have seen some people feel shy while speaking, because they are afraid that when they will make the mistakes, people would laugh at them. Don't feel shy, don't feel any kind of tension while speaking the English language. Consider this thing in your mind, that English is not your first language, English is not your mother tongue. You are just learning this language by practice, and when you will do practice and practice again and again, then you will improve your English language. So don't feel shy while speaking the English language or while making the mistakes. Mistakes are the part of speaking the language. That is not your own language. So make mistakes without any hesitation. When you will make mistakes, then gradually you will improve yourself. You will correct those mistakes, and one day you will speak very good and fluent English language. I have talked about 2 things, listening and speaking. Now the turn comes of reading. Develop your habit of reading. Instead of reading 10 chapters and remembering nothing, I think read less and remember those things, whatever you read, and try to make practice of those words or sentences you are reading on daily basis. So read on daily basis, listen on daily basis, speak on daily basis, and read on daily basis. When you will develop this reading habit, it will help you to make your sentences correct, the spelling of the words. You will come to know that what is the spelling of some difficult words and their meanings. So you will have to develop the habit of reading also. I have talked about 3 segments. Now the turn is of 4th segment. That is writing skill. Whatever you read, try to write down in your notebook the sentences and understand them. Not just cram those sentences or words. Try to understand them and write yourself some sentences of your vocabulary in your own words. Sometimes you can write a brief summary of whatever you have read. In this way, I think that you will improve your writing skill. This is also very important, step by step, that when you start listening, then the second step comes, that is speaking. Third step comes, that is reading. Fourth step comes, that is writing. These, when you will master yourself in those 4 steps, then another step will come, that is advanced level step, that think in English language. This is very important. In the beginning, you will face lot of problems while thinking in English language. You will feel that how can one think in English language? It looks very difficult, very astonishing. When you will try to develop this habit of thinking in English language, then gradually, automatically, you will think in English language, and when you will think in English language, English would come out of from your mouth automatically. So I think that you should develop this habit of thinking. That is very important on last segment, on advanced level, that when you will develop, when you will feel anything in English language, sometimes whenever you are laying on a bed, you are thinking in your mind, you are thinking in your national language. But when you will develop this habit of thinking in English language, automatically your mind would work and you will think in English language. When you will think in English language, then automatically your spoken words, spoken English will improve. I have talked about these 5 things, very important things, and if you try to improve these things, then I think that you will improve your English language. And after these 5 steps, more practice is required, because you know that practice makes a man perfect, and make practice on daily basis. Speak English language with your friends, those know English better than you. In this way you will improve your English language. Hope you find these 5 steps very useful. In next video I will talk about some other things. Till then, allow me, and before leaving, please subscribe this channel so that you never miss our other videos. Thank you. Bye bye.